Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can backup or save voice memos recordings to Google storage drive. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on voice memos, or you can open it from the app library, and in the utilities folder open up voice memos. In here, go into all recordings and then tap on the edit button at the top. Next, you can select one or a few files, or you can select multiple files by simply dragging down and up like this. And you can also deselect the files that you don't want to copy over. After that, tap on the share button at the bottom corner. From the pop-up menu, go down and tap on save to files. Now at the top here, you want to tap on the back key and go back to the browse screen, and in here select Drive, Google Drive. Now if you do not have Google Drive in the locations section, that means you haven't installed Google Drive. Go to the App Store and install Google Drive onto your device, onto your iPhone. Once you install it, you can tap on Drive, and in here select the folder where you want to save it to. So here I've got a folder called iPhone voice memos. If there isn't a folder that you want to save it to, you can create a new folder by simply tapping on the option button at the top and then tap on new folder. And here you can give it a name, my voice files. So files, backup files. And then tap on saved, and then tap on save again to save the voice file. So it is now in the process of copying the files over. So if I go back to my home screen and open up files, this is the files manager on the iPhone. And I'm going to go back to the browse screen, then tap on drive. And I'm going to go back into my voice backup files, and here you can see the files are being copied over one by one. And that's it. So that is how you can backup or save files to Google Drive on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.